I asked, you responded. Here we go. Push blocks and push sticks can be really expensive. And to be honest with you, I use my homemade push blocks and push sticks probably 90% of the time. I'm going to show you some real easy ways to make your push sticks and push blocks from scrap wood. Let's start at the table saw. My shop teacher always said, if you find a good push stick, make a copy, trace it, cut it out. Now you have one out of wood, plastic and wood. So if this gets busted up, you always have a backup. So that's what we're doing here, is tracing this and cutting it out. This one's about 3/8 of an inch thick. So the easiest push stick to make is to make one you already have. Just trace it and copy it like this. Whoever came up with this idea, the pusher push stick, thank you very much. I printed this offline about 10 years ago, and it's been the best little push stick in my shop. So this little pusher is about 10 inches long and about 6.5 inches tall. And just notch that out and catch your little hook at the end. This thing works great. And here's another variation of the pusher, and all I did was make the handle a little bit bigger. There is a big difference. It feels more comfortable than this right here. I love this little pusher, I do, but this gives it a whole different feel. So play around with the handles and whatever works for you. Wrist movement, you could apply pressure to the board, and it's just really smooth and works out really nice. If this works for you, great. If not, just tweak it more forward, taller, whatever you want to do to make it work for you. These are standard push pads. You could buy this. This is about $30. Or we can make our own. All I did was take a piece of plywood, made it the same size as this, 3.5 inches by 9 inches. A piece of 2x2, I glued it and screwed it, and then put a piece of sandpaper. So the only thing this will cost you is some scrap wood and a half a sheet of sandpaper to get the same result as this or this. Check that out. Saving money. I call this the handsaw pusher. It looks like the handle of a handsaw. It fits nicely. All you have to do is just cut it straight edge. You have your hook. You drill a hole here and a hole here, and then just connect these. I just made this kind of round. A push block or a push stick should be able to be made really quickly and easily in just a few minutes. The best thing about making your own push blocks, it's cheap. All of these push sticks cost either zero money or very little money and can be done in just a few minutes, how push sticks should be able to be made. Now it's time to put your push sticks to work. You could build a couple flags like this, or you could build this planter box. Check this out. I just built this, and my wife has got stuff growing in her planter box. Check that out.